Good morning, gentlemen. Today my topic is BRICS. So what is BRICS? BRICS is an acronym of the world's leading emerging economies, that is Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. The word BRIC is coined by Jim O'Neill in 2001. It is only after the inclusion of South Africa in 2010 it became BRICS. So why the BRICS was created? The idea of the creation of BRICS was of Russia's, because it saw a large-scale domination of USA in major international institutions, for example IMF. That's why it wanted to create a group where there should not be any US's domination. That's why it created a group of emerging economies in which they will cooperate each other in the sector of health, terrorism, AI and many more other sectors. Also, we know that IMF is strongly dominated by USA, which has about 18% of the total voting right, which is highest than anyone else. But it has developed its own bank here, that is New Development Bank at Shanghai. Unlike IMF, it has every member nation having equal rights, voting rights in it. So, what are the beneficial things if we stay in the BRICS? The first beneficial thing is that it will improve our ties with our age-old friend Russia. And it is seen that in the recent BRICS summit at Kazan that is held in Russia in 2024, we have strengthened our relationship with China. And New Development Bank will provide us with financial assistance whenever necessary. So, what are the challenges faced by India if we stay in BRICS? The first challenge is the West, because West sees Russia and China as their enemy, or you can say a rival. But we are a common friend of both, so we need to look after the interest of both the sides. For example, recently in the Russian oil buy by India, West strongly condemned India. Thanks to our strong diplomacy, we were able to cater it. In the recent future also, it will be there where we will conflict among the ideas of West as well as Russia and China. So now I will be discussing the chairmanship of BRICS. The chairmanship of BRICS changes every year in the acronym BRICS. In 2024, it was with Russia, and in 2025, the BRICS summit will be held at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. So, at last I want to say that BRICS is a very important institution to counter US's domination over the world's largest institutions. So, we should expand the BRICS horizon. To do that, we have recently added 5 new members in the BRICS, that is Iran, Egypt, Ethiopia, UAE and Indonesia. Furthermore, we need to improve this group and make it such a big that it will able to counter the major international institutions such as IMF, World Bank and many other things, so that we will able to counter the USA in a larger extent. Thank you.